So in this video we will learn how to fix the Snapchat media upload problem. Since the new update came out last week, all snaps sent from the gallery now show media upload when the recipient opens the snap. Let's find out how to remove or fix this. First of all, open any browser and search tech quiz. And friends, you can also search techquiz.com. Simply search techquiz.com and tap on the search option and tap on the first website that appears. And if this website not shown in the first result, then scroll down the page and you will find this website. Then tap the first blog you see of media upload. If you can't find the blog there, go to the search bar and look for media upload. You should find the blog. Once you are on the blog, scroll down the page at the bottom you will see a download option. Tap on it and download the old version of Snapchat and use this application as this update was not present in the old version. So friends, if you have any questions or doubt, comment on this video.